Hello students, and welcome to the end of the semester. Now, you should be working on your digital resume, and that will be the representation of your work this semester. However, I would also like to have a Blackboard record of the work that you've done. And so in order to get that, I have created a space here in Course Projects. So if you go underneath Course Projects, and you click here, it will pull up this area with lesson plans, your digital story chapter, lesson plan, action research, unit plan, resume, and book project. Now, I've done this because a lot of our assignments are embedded in the modules, so I've collected them all here in one place. If you have yet to turn in your book project, if you click on the folder for book project, it will show you where to submit it. This is where you still need to submit your book project if you have not done it yet. For those of you getting ready to turn in your unit plans, while the unit plan might be on your digital resume, and that's great, I would like you to submit your unit plan here underneath Unit Plans. The same with Action Research. We presented our Action Research, but I would like to have a representation of that Action Research submitted. So if you can please submit your documentation and your project in this location, I would appreciate it so that we've got a record of it here in Blackboard. And of course the same with the digital story chapter lesson plan from Lowen. You'll find the place to submit that there. Now, I'm asking you to at least submit your, if you haven't done the book project, which was a whole week of developing picture books lessons, you need to submit that through this link here. Please go and find the assignment. It's also located in there. You'll submit your unit plan, your action research, and your digital story chapter lesson plan here. You don't need to worry about submitting your lesson plans unless you have never submitted them to me. If you have yet to give me your lesson plans, please go to this folder and find lesson plan 1 and lesson plan 2 here. You must submit lesson plans. You cannot pass this class unless you have attempted and submitted everything that is required. You cannot skip any of the projects. You must submit a book project. You must submit your unit plan, your action research. You must submit a digital story chapter lesson plan, and you must submit 2 other lesson plans in order to successfully pass this course. Of course, that also means you must submit your digital resume, which was on the Knowledge Board, and you all have done that already. But the resume must be updated. I will be checking the resume this weekend. If your resume is not updated, you will be docked points. Please refer to the assignment guides that are located in each of these folders if you are concerned or confused or have questions. And after you've looked at the assignment guides, reach out to me for clarification. Again, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you have submitted work for each one of these assignments. Look in your grades, see where you have missing assignments, and make sure you get this work submitted to me by Sunday night. Thank you.